Hello everyone and welcome back. Choosing between RStudio and SPSS, let's break down which one fits your needs. RStudio is free software for working with R, a coding language for data analysis. It's open source, meaning anyone can use it without paying. You write code to tell the computer what to do with your data. It's powerful and flexible, but you need to learn programming. Think of it like learning to cook from scratch. You control everything, but it takes time to master. SPSS is made by IBM and costs money. It uses menus and buttons instead of code, like using an app on your phone. Click what you want, and SPSS does the work. It's easier to start with, especially if you've never coded before. Universities love it for teaching because students can jump right in without learning programming language first. RStudio is completely free. SPSS costs around $100 per month for basic features or over $1,000 per year. Students can get discounts, but it's still a paid tool. SPSS wins for beginners, point, click, done. RStudio needs you to write commands which feel harder at first, but once you learn R, you can do way more custom work. When it comes to power and flexibility, RStudio shines here. Thousands of free add-ons let you do almost anything with data. Create beautiful charts, build models, run machine learning. SPS is strong for standards tests, but limits you to what's built in. For cutting-edge work, RStudio is the professional's choice. Pick SPSS if you're new to data work, need quick results, or your school requires it. Pick RStudio if you want to learn real programming skills, work with big data sets, or need advanced features. Many people start with SPSS, then switch to RStudio as they grow. Both work well. SPSS is easier now, RStudio is more powerful later. Choose based on your goals and budget, and if you're ready to try them, check their websites out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.